my name is Blair, and for my presentation, you're going to need an open mind. Neuroscience is the study of the structure and function of the brain and nervous system. The brain is composed of three main parts: the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. The forebrain is composed of the cerebrum, the thalamus, the hypothalamus, the pituitary glands, the limbic system, and the olfactory bulb. Its main functions are controlling motor functions, processing sensory and autonomic functions, and thinking. So whenever you're at school or at work and you're overloaded with stuff to do, the forebrain gives you the ability to think. Next we have the midbrain. The midbrain is composed of the tectum, the tegmentum, the colliculi, and the cura cerebri. Its main functions are processing auditory and visual functions, as well as motor functions. So at night, whenever you're in your room studying, and you're listening to Eminem or Moonlight Sonata, you can thank the midbrain for giving you the ability to process that auditory information. Lastly, we have the hindbrain. The hindbrain is composed of the cerebellum, the medulla, the pons, and the cranial nerves. Its main functions are controlling balance, equilibrium, coordination, and of course involuntary functions. I would lose my mind every time I had to think about breathing, so I'm happy the hindbrain takes care of that for me. Now moving on to the nervous system. The nervous system can be divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, which is composed of the brain and spinal cord, since those are the central part of the nervous system, and the peripheral nervous system, which is composed of the ganglion and the nerves. It enables the nerves from the organs to communicate to the brain. So the main form of communication between the nerves of the organs to the brain and vice versa is the neuron. The neuron is composed of a cell body, the cell membrane, and dendrites, which connect the cell neuron to another neuron, the axon, which sends the electrical signals, the myelin sheath, which protects the neuron from damage, and the synapse, which enables it to communicate to another neuron. So all of this information is very important to know so that scientists and neurologists can find different ways to help prevent and treat health issues. Thank you, and have a great day.